What's up, guys? I hope you want to learn about how to determine a central idea. Before I start, my name is Cara. So, the central idea is the most important topic that the author wants you to know. You can find the central idea at the beginning of a paragraph or the end. Sometimes the central idea is not directly stated but implied or suggested. But to identify an implied central idea, you need to examine the details to determine what the writer intends. Here are some steps on how to find the central idea. 1. Identify the specific topic of each paragraph. 2. Examine all the details the author includes. Some more facts are that if there isn't enough information to cover the story or movie, there isn't a central idea. Supporting details can also help you find the main idea. If there is a subtitle above a paragraph or section, that may help you find or remember the main idea. If you are having trouble finding the main idea, ask yourself this question. What do the details add up to? Okay, and then, and all about polar bears. Polar bears have adapted to their cold Arctic environment. Their fur has hollow hairs filled with air, which provides insulation so that they can live on the ice and swim in frigid water. Since polar bears spend more time in the sea than on land, they have webbed front paws to help them swim. So, what is the main idea of this passage? Polar bears live in the Arctic. Polar bears have adapted to their environment. Polar bears' fur is made up of hollow hairs, or polar bears have webbed paws, front paws. Pause the video and read it on your own to see what the main idea. The answer is that polar bears have adapted to their environment because it talked about more than just the fur and the hollow hairs and the webbed feet from paws.